How to set up a spawning point and a fireball zone.
Guys, let's create the spawning point from where the fireball will be spitted. So guys, let's create an empty game object and let's call it fireball spawning point. So guys, let's set this fireball spawning point near the mouth of the dragon. So guys, let's make the fireball spawning point as a children to the dragon. Then guys, let's create a new game object. So let's call it fireball zone. Fireball zone. Then guys, let's attach to it a box collider 2D. So I choose here. Just be sure that this box collider, sorry guys, is triggered. In that manner, the player can go inside it. And then guys, let's set it correctly inside the center here of this kind of box. So guys, we have to spread in the X direction like that, and even in the Y direction. Must be sure that the player could be inside. So like that seems to be enough. And guys, let's let's make this fireball zone dependent of the dragon. So we will attach it as a children once again, and let's add a new script. Let's call it dragon script. Let's create it. So it is here, so let's put it inside the script folder. And now guys, we have to code it. Guys, our first goal is to play the attack animation of the dragon when the player go inside the fireball zone. So guys, inside the dragon script, we will create a dragon variable of type game object, and we will initialize this variable inside the start function on using the find game object with tag dragon. So we must be sure guys that we have already created the dragon tag, so you know how we have to do it. You have to go to add tag and create dragon. So I already did it, so I just need to select it now. So guys, to play the attack animation, we have to create a variable of type animator. And guys, we have to initialize this variable on using the get component method to fetch the animator of the dragon, which is here inside Unity. So to be sure to fetch the relevant animator and not the animator of the player, you have to type here the name of this variable that we have defined earlier. And then guys, we have to manipulate this anim variable on creating a new method called anim dragon attack method. So if you remember guys, we have created inside the animator of Unity a variable called isAttacking, and to pass from the dragon idle animation to the dragon attack animation, this isAttacking variable must be equal to true. So guys, this is the line of code that we have to write. We have to set the isAttacking bool to true inside this anim dragon attack method. Then guys, we have to call this method inside the relevant main method, which is here the onTrigger state2d method, and we have to write this condition. So if the game object have as a tag player, I mean if the object which stay inside the fireball zone as a tag player, we have to call the anim dragon attack method. So guys, let's for instance save this and let's return to Unity. So guys, let's run the game and let's go inside the fireball zone. Okay, you can see that the dragon play the attack method. And guys, if we go out from the fireball zone, there is a mistake because the attack animation of the dragon is still running, so we have to correct that. So guys, whenever the player go out from the fireball zone, we have to run the idle animation. So I've created an anim dragon idle method, and I change the value of the boolean is attacking to the value of false on using this line of code. So this time guys, we have to call this anim dragon idle method inside the on trigger exit 2D method. So guys, this is almost the same line of code that we already used for the on trigger stay 2D method. We just need this time to call the anim dragon idle method, which is here. So guys, let's save that and let's return to Unity and let's run the game. So guys, each time the player stay inside the fireball zone, let's see what's happened. We already seen that the dragon animation is played, and whenever the player exit from the fireball zone, let's see if the dragon animation is played. So guys, let's go here. Okay, it seems to be good. We will do it a second time. Okay, the attack animation is played, and when we exit, this is the idle animation. So everything is fine, guys.
Set up two game objects and attach them as the children of the dragon, one for the spawning point and the other one for the fireball zone. For the fireball zone, use the onTrigger state 2D and onTrigger exit 2D methods.